Zendesk versus Freshservice, which is the best help desk software, is a question many people are asking when trying to find the right tool for managing customer support. Both of these platforms come with robust features, but which one truly stands out? Stick with me till the end, because I'll help you decide which one might be the best fit for your team or business, and I'll even throw in a better alternative that you might want to consider. First off, Zendesk is a well-known brand in the customer support space, and it's been around for a while. It's got a large user base and is trusted by many businesses worldwide. Zendesk offers a wide range of features like ticketing, live chat, and self-service portals, making it a solid choice for companies looking for an all-in-one help desk solution. However, there's a catch. Zendesk can get quite expensive, especially if you need access to more advanced features. The pricing structure is flexible but not always transparent, and depending on the plan you choose, you might end up paying more than expected for features you don't need. Next, let's talk about Freshservice. Freshservice is often seen as a younger, more modern alternative to Zendesk, and it has gained traction quickly. It focuses on IT service management and offers a variety of automation tools which can help streamline your workflows. One of the big plus points for Freshservice is its intuitive user interface. It's clean, easy to use, and doesn't have that overwhelming feeling you might get from Zendesk. However, while Freshservice offers a lot of customization, it can be a little less flexible in certain areas compared to Zendesk. If you're looking for something highly customizable and scalable, Freshservice might feel a bit limiting. The third thing to consider is integrations. Zendesk supports a ton of integrations with various third-party tools and platforms, making it highly versatile in terms of connecting to your existing tech stack. This is a huge benefit if you're using other software that needs to sync with your help desk system. Freshservice, on the other hand, also offers integrations, but it's not as extensive as Zendesk. It covers most of the essentials, but if you have very specific integration needs, you might run into some challenges with Freshservice. Moving on to reporting and analytics, both of these platforms offer robust reporting features, but they approach it differently. Zendesk offers deep insights into customer interactions, and its reporting tools allow for more customization and flexibility. If you want to drill down into the specifics of your customer support data, Zendesk gives you the tools to do that. Freshservice provides good reports, too, but it leans more towards simplicity, which is great for smaller teams or those who don't need complex analytics. The fifth thing I want to touch on is customer support. Zendesk has 24/7 support, but users often report long wait times, especially if you're on the lower tier plans. Freshservice also offers strong customer support, but tends to have quicker response times and a more personalized approach, particularly for users on higher tier plans. Now, after considering all of this, let's be honest. Both Zendesk and Freshservice are strong contenders, but if you're looking for an alternative that's more cost-effective and equally powerful, I highly recommend checking out alternative software. After testing all of them, I found that alternative software offers a more balanced combination of features, pricing, and user experience. And the best part? You can try it out with a free trial using the first link in the description. Through this link, you'll get exclusive benefits that you can't find anywhere else. So, while Zendesk and Freshservice are solid options, if you want to maximize your value and ensure a smooth experience, alternative software might be the better fit for your help desk needs. Don't miss out on the exclusive trial link in the description. Check it out today.